Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, really? Thoroughly Minecraft. Okay, connecting with the footies. My new avatar. Look at my new avatar. Yeah, definitely a new avatar. To just keep the pillow. And my fresh duffies. And my new avatar is here. I Did we just see Rainbow Friends tonight? Okay, lies. O M R N O M I N E C R. Okay. Okay. To add spider. Mm, yeah. Yes. Need to actually this. I hate that. Which is okay. There's actually rest of this progress. Podge. Podge. You need some fine brown. Okay, guys.
I don't like ng pranks or TNT, okay? That clear? If merong pranks and TNT, I'm gonna leave na.
Okay, that's a lot. I'm gonna delete the TNT. Okay.
I don't like ng invisibility pranks. Oh, like you.
So cutie.
Okay, look at my skin.
Hmm?
It's mommy long leg. Look at mommy long legs, ba?
I'm deleting the blocks. Wait,
Not TNT outside, ba?
delete them. Level up. No more TNT here inside.
Okay. Go outside and look at my skin.
Look at me. Look at my magic. Look at my magic. I'm doing some magic.
I'm lagging. Look at me. Oh, man. Wala ko dito.
Rejoin ka.
Open side.
Bunso, look. Sabi daw. Oh, look. TNT.
See?
Rejoin.
Cleaning my phone.
Do you make a pretty garden? Bunso,
Yeah.
do you make this garden?
No, you made it. Tingin. Yes. It's a farm.
I like this farm. Yung mga villagers naglulok sila ng ano? Naglulok sila ng mga plants?
Yes, yes. It's a farm.
How long is gonna since it's growing?
Ano na yan? Done na yan. Pwede mo na yan kunin.
Really?
Tapos pwede yung gawing bread.
Yes. I'm gonna make it look like a bread here. So look at I'm gonna make a bread. Tada, I make a bread. I'm just joking, but I just click this and I click it.
Yeah.
Because I don't know how to gawa ng bread making these plants. Ano lang, just stand ka lang dito and then gaget ka ng bread and then tada, meron na bread now.
Yeah.
Also, look,
Look at my skin.
look, I have a dark food.
Wow.
I'm so fast. I'm so fast now, go.
Ah. Hindi.
I like your new avatar. I'm gonna.
Who is this? Yung avatar ko.
Sino to?
Ayan.
Is that ano? Alex?
Okay. Ba't nawala?
Ano yun avatar? I don't know what's that avatar.
Ah,
What is that avatar, Bunso?
wait lang. Okay. Ah,
Do you like it?
come here, look.
Who's that?
Tingin nga ako sa'yo. Ba't ganun? Skin ka sa'yo. Ay. Look, baba.
How do you make it? How do you make it? How do you make that? How do you make Lily Labyrinth? Can you show me? Ano lang? Ano ka ng avatar? So much. So, Mommy, can I choose a puppy playtime character? So, Mommy, can I choose puppy playtime character? But for now, I want this character. I want yung ibang, I want iba. But you look at my new avatar. But you look at my magic. But you look at my magic. Hindi, dyan. Ang ganda magic. Magic. Buso, try mo dito. Buso, ganito ka and then, ganun. Ha?
Ang gagawin.
Harap ka dito and then, ganun. Bunso, bakit nandyan yung sun?
Asa?
Diyan, sa side.
Wala akong sun baba. Wala akong beautiful sky.
Pero this is our, pero same world tayo. Bunso, I didn't finish this roof yet.
Okay.
So, wait. I'm just gonna build something here. Bunso, move. Move.
Just wait.
Okay. Now I'm gonna build something here.
Who is this baba Huggy Wog?
Oogie Woogie. Where's the Huggy Wog? Can I see? Bakit sa akin hindi? Sa...
I don't know. Iba nga eh. I don't know.
Bunso, come. Watch me build dito.
Eto, anong skin ko na. Ganda kasi. Oh, ang ganda.
Would you try? Can you try dark? Can you try fighter? Can you try fighter boy? Like, can you try fighter boy like me? Ganito yung parang dark
Ang
things.
fighter. Oh,
Ayan, but that's zombie.
yes. And fighter song.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna go up.
Go, Rosie.
So, go up ka doon sa vines.
Sure. Here.
So fast. So
Hmm.
fast you are. I'm just gonna add more vines.
More vines, please.
So, pwede ka ma-decorate dito na, stuff, bunso. Pwede ka
Okay.
ma-decorate. I'm just gonna watch you here. Pwede ka
Maybe
ma-decorate.
later naman. Ikaw na lang mag-ano. I don't like to ano. To the time.
Bunso,
Oh,
look. I saw this new thing. Mm, Look. So cool, right? Maybe it's yours.
ay Baba, wait lang.
What
I'm
is?
gonna try something.
What are you gonna try?
A new one. And stop.
Can I go with you?
Okay, sure.
Save. Wait. Avatar. What's up? This looks like really.
You can join.
Wait.
Do play. But it's still loading. Just wait for it.
Macho, iba na yung pang ano ko. Iba na yung pang ano ko. Click ng
Choose.
world.
Yes.
Iba na, pa lines na lang.
Yeah, not like this.
Nope. Not gonna
What's
twist it.
that? Wait for me.
Macho, ito ba? Kuku, kuku, tuk, 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 kuku. Alis na alarm. Kayo alis. Nag-night ba yan? Bunso? You're so goofy. Bunso, look at the pretty clouds.
Yes. Look mo yung world na yan.
Why are you tiny? What? Let's get some tiny stuff. Let's get some tiny stuff, Bunso. Let's build something so goofy. Mag-build tayo ng house, Bunso. So, we just build a normal dark house, but what happened to this goofy world? It's so silly. So funny. What is that funny? Lies here. This road is so goofy, huh? Let's build a really goofy house. Wait. Mommy, look at this world. Ang mini namin nila Bunso. Really? Okay, let's start with the next. Bakit itong wall so different? Itong wall, Bunso. What a silly world. Okay, let's try cool.
Let's go back na sa Cheyenne.
Mommy, I want this goofy world.
Sure.
Let's see what Bunso is doing. Why are you so tiny? I need to help you.
Oh.
So silly, Bunso. This world is so silly. Where are you?
Nasa.
Why are you so tiny? So many we are. But I'm building a house next to you. There's no more space sa akin, Bunso.
So many.
Okay. There's a mini piglet. Narinig mo yung sounds, Bunso?
Yep.
I'm building a goofy house. Oh my goodness, this is so silly. With this book, we just need to get some goofy bed and some goofy lanterns to see some table. Bakit ang silly? So goofy. Goofy, right, Bunso? Mommy, look at this word. Ang goofy. I cannot stop laughing in this funny world.
Ano yung pinagsandalan niyo?
Oh, rice and sabaw.
Wait lang, maipit si Bailey Butterfly.
What's your door? I'm sorry po, bunso. Nalilis ko po. Nasa roof.
Nag-alarm na yun.
Mami, I'm sorry na alis ni bunso.
Okay, basta pag sinabi kong enough na enough.
What is this glass? Bunso. Chili, right, bunso?
Saan na? Papa, go back to your room. So, okay.
Let's go back in our world.
No, go. It's nice to be shy.
Hmm.
Love you.
Happened.
Na-disconnect. The world ko na. Rice and hello. Isa man lang ito.
No. Mami, Mami, ano? So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. Thank you.
Kunin ko lang food mo. Mm.